Hello guys and welcome on BAMBIXPILOT on my channel. I have today a new video for you. As you can see in the title, it's all about a helicopter crash took place in Sao Paulo, Brazil last year on the 4th of December. It's quite a tragical story because actually a bride was involved. The bride was flying with the helicopters to surprise his husband, and there actually happened to crash. Today I will analyze the crash. For my side, I'm not a crash investigator or so on. I'm just a qualified pilot, not for helicopter but for VFR airplanes. So what actually happened in this crash? They took off with the photographer, which was a pregnant woman, the bride and her brother, and of course the pilot. The weather at this day is the most concerning thing on the whole flight, actually, because actually the ceiling was very low and you can't see very much because there was mist, and as you can see in the video in the background, you really can't see the surface anymore. The pilot and the aircraft wasn't IFR qualified, so they wasn't qualified to fly in IMC conditions. In my last video, a link is below, you can see what happened or what can happen when you fly VFR in IMC conditions. So we have a low ceiling and low visibility this day, and as we can see on the horizon, the airplane is quite stable, but suddenly it took a sharp left turn, which can be caused by wind or by pilot action. The pilot stopped the left bank and pulled the stick to the right side. What happens now is that the aircraft goes in a sharp right turn. Now you hear a warning, I think it's a stall warning, and then the aircraft lost height rapidly and plunges down to the ground. What I can conclude on this crash, we have the factor of low visibility and not qualified crew. So it was in my eyes a pilot error. The pilot error began to start the flight. Everything followed was actually during the pressure on flying in IMC conditions, in my opinion. So what's your opinion, and what do you think could have avoided a crash? Write it in the comment section below. And that was it from my side. I hope you like this short analysis about this crash, and I hope to see you soon on my channel. So I wish you a good morning, evening or afternoon whenever you watch this video. Bye bye.